your big old belly's busting through your clothes because you're eating too many calories from being hungry all the time. So here's what you exactly need to grab to reach 200 grams of protein to finally lose fat before the summer. So for breakfast, you're gonna grab a pan and add in 2 eggs. Then you're gonna add 1 cup of egg whites. Then you wanna throw in 3 chicken sausages and you have a mouth-watering breakfast. For lunch, you're gonna grab 2 servings of the Just Bare chicken bites. Grab 2 sweet potatoes, you're gonna slice it up, you're gonna throw some olive oil, some pink Himalayan salt, throw in the air fryer, and you got a delicious lunch meal. For a snack, you can either grab a Premier protein shake or a Fit Crunch protein bar. For dinner, you're gonna grab 8 ounces of top sirloin. Then you're gonna pair this with some onions and peppers for flavor. You can also add asparagus if you want. Now, if you finally wanna lose that body fat and feel confident shirtless this summer, tap that follow button.